Welcome back to my morning report chart proposals on Thursday the 28th of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hampton Markets. Let's look at euro dollar now, and this is a big mover. Euro dollar reacted quite strongly higher on the Fed. Dollar weakness turned around about sort of 70 ticks higher on the day yesterday. Arguments for that being a bullish engulfing. I mean, bullish engulfing should theoretically, I suppose, come at the bottom of a trend lower. I mean, it is an outside day, a bullish outside day, and it's continued actually today. Another 45 ticks higher as the Europeans have come in. Now, the big question is this the beginning of a strong euro rally? I don't think it is. Is this probably going to be seen as another chance to sell? I think it is. Momentum indicators still tracking lower. RSI back to 50. MACD lines still tracking lower. Stochastics has turned up near term, but again, I think this is just an unwinding move. Now we're back currently towards the top, or at the top of this this long-term pivot between 1050 and 11 figure, and I think this is an area where you're going to start to see the selling pressure come in. You've got 1164, which was this reaction high mid-July, underneath that 1188. Well, 1183 and also 1188, which was the post-Brexit reaction high on a rebound, which was this one here. And the fact is that we're sort of, I think, just unwinding really. I mean, you're still arguably in a range phase really, but I think this move is not going to be bought into on a consistent basis. I think that the market event will ultimately just be reacting to this Fed meeting. And I don't think the reaction is going to be particularly long before we start to see further moves to the downside on euro dollar, because basically the Fed is the only hiking central bank in town, and I think the market will sort of pay respect to that and ultimately pull lower. I think this is just a near-term knee-jerk to the Fed meeting yesterday. Nothing more than that. I think that we're going to see another lower high probably below 1164, but certainly I think between 1164 and the pivot at 1215, which was sort of an old basis of support and resistance, or pivot line through April, May and June. Ultimately, on a longer term basis, you'd still argue that the bears are in control, probably below this trend line actually, below this uptrend, where the pressure remains on to the downside. But I think the near-term knee-jerk reaction higher is still playing out, but I think ultimately this will sort of find resistance and start to roll over again. You're trading underneath all falling and moving averages, and I think that will still be the case as we sort of just lose steam in a little rally that we've got going on here, and ultimately this is going to be proving to be another selling opportunity in my opinion. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on Eurodollar, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.